Now I'm going to program this BMS. So it's hooked up to this dongle here. And now I am going to open the port. Okay. So 53 volts, 100 state of charge, 100,000 milliamp hours remaining. So those are all the cell voltages and the temperature and all that. Let's go to that's data storage. It's reading that. Parameters is right here, and I have it I have it saved. So all I gotta do is just import my new parameters. So I'll come here, import, and then I go to 11, and boom, imported. So let's see, everything checks out. Blah 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 blah. Alarm, capacity. I'll come here. Then all I gotta do is read the serial number. Read battery serial number. That's done. Read. Check all. Read capacity. Read threshold. So let's see. I do not remember. So there's one little trick I can do here. So all I have to do is that back out, go to home, close port, and plug this, plug it into here. Open port, and now I gotta see it's on. So it's on dip 1 and 2 on, which dip 1 and 2 on should be. I don't know what dip 1 and 2 on is. Three. So I'll go to address 3. Alright, 210. Alright, so we're gonna do the storage parameters. Get all. Okay. Export. Parameter. So. Save. Then I come to other, and then I just read everything. Read, except for this. Read this, which is 100. Don't need a BMS address. That I don't need to deal with. And then come to 2. Read. And stay at the grow out right here. Does it have a read feature under Bluetooth? No. And then come back to here. So everything is preset to this battery here. And all I have to do is come back to home. Close port. Flap this out. Put it in here. And then go back to address 1. Or 0 for that matter. Open port. Come back here. Go to parameter. Come to here. So everything is already there as is. Like, it's there. So all I have to do is this. Full capacity, remaining capacity is 210. Well, I'm going to put, 210. 2, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to write this because this battery is already fully charged. So, write. And then this port, write that. Everything is here. Current is 0 at this point in time. Voltage, I'd have to verify that. And leave that. Let's see. No address there. And then I just write that. And no, I'm not going to put a Bluetooth name. Storage, data, parameter, and the import. I'm pick the parameter sub. Open. And everything is good to go. And import and then modify. Setting, save successfully. Now go to home. And that's it. It's all done. Simple as that. So 53.42. Then this is going to say also. So I put the screen is upside down. I was not paying attention when I was placing the screen. 53.42. Alright. So this is for the inside. So this is what the inside look like. So these temperature sensors is going to go down here through this hole here, and I gotta extend it with these temperature sensors that I have. Where are they? I know I have them somewhere. I know I have it somewhere. It's a matter of these temperature sensors here. Well, let's see here. With these little temperature sensors here. So, with that said, everything is ready to go. Fully charged. I just gotta set the address dip switches to 4, and that's that. He's good to go. Close it. Turn the key. Oh, it's not going on all the way. There we go. Turn the key. And now I'm going to switch the communication to cable back, because this one is no different from that one. Oh, so I gotta turn this back on. That's back on. And then this wire here, which is capped off, this wire here is going to go into this terminal block, and it will all be done. So that's it for it. And now all the BMS will be communicating with each other. So, yeah, man. Thanks for watching. I will have more updates. I'm going to build 2 more batteries and stack them on that side along that wall, and have about 60 kilowatt enough power. So anyway, thanks for watching.